I've noticed during the past few months a trend where nutrition and fitness coaches are trying to build a high-end online fitness coaching business using a bunch of AI strategies, chatgpt, but guess what? They're not seeing any type of results. And many of the coaches that apply to our private mentorship have been using just nothing but chatgpt prompts, and it's just not working. It's not getting them the results they want, and it's not building the right skills that are gonna last you guys a lifetime in this coaching business. My name is Eric Martinez, and I am the co-owner of Dynamic Fit Pros with my twin brother, and we've been helping nutrition and fitness coaches for the last 5 years build, scale their online coaching businesses to $100,000 and beyond. And if you're a nutrition and fitness coach looking to grow your guys' online coaching business, and you guys are depending on a bunch of ChatGPT and AI tools and strategies, and you're not seeing results, stick with me on this video and I'll tell you guys why, the 3 reasons why this is not gonna work for you guys in the long haul. Okay, reason number 1, it's not designed for human-centered tasks. Think about it, guys. We're talking AI here. There's no human touch to that. As a nutrition and fitness coach, even let's just say back, like if you're working at a gym, right, or with people in a brick and mortar, think about it. That's a human-centered task. That is a human-to-human business. That's a relationship that you guys are trying to build with people. ChatGPT is not going to solve that issue. So what you have to really understand is, again, you are in the business to help and serve humans. And that's why the AI, ChatGPT, the strategies are not going to work with this. And really, right, what do most of your clients come to you for, right? An outcome, a result, accountability. They want to be heard. They want to be understood. They want hope. They want accountability. They want certainty that you're going to sit there and help them, hold their hand, and get them to that outcome and promised land to help make change in their lives with their health and fitness. So again, right, if you stop and really just zone back out, you're on ChatGPT, typing in prompts and strategies on how to do that, there's not going to be a carryover to that skill. You can't sit there and ChatGPT your way to build a relationship with a human being that's going to hand you money and trust you with their health and fitness. That whole energy exchange, that whole know, like, and trust, how fast that's expedited, that's gonna lead to people paying, staying, and referring you guys out. And from there, right, you don't need to do a ton of marketing. If you're getting people great results, they're speaking highly of you guys and passing on your guys' info for new clients. ChatGPT is not gonna solve that issue. So reason number 2 is don't use AI just because you're trying to save time in your guys' business. Look, guys, there's a whole like strategy for working smarter, not harder. I get that. But at the same time, right, you can't, again, use AI for everything to cut corners and just save you time. Let me break this down. So AI and ChatGPT, it's really good for manual type of tasks. You know, maybe some content here and there, some headlines, some hooks, maybe writing some emails, some copy, right, to fine tune that. Maybe just other brainstorming ideas, right, that are just innovative. But at the same time, right, if you're a nutrition and fitness coach and you're trying to ChatGPT and get AI strategies to, you know, help with fitness plans and nutrition plans, like actual custom programs for people that are going to just be tailored to their specific needs and situations and their goals, that is terrible. That is such terrible, like, you know, leadership. That's terrible, just, you know, coaching, in my opinion, because again, what got you into nutrition and fitness coaching was you guys using your brain and actually studying the material and the curriculum that you need to sit there and then go pass that on to help your guys' clients with habit and skill development. You could go and chat GPT and do some AI stuff on, yeah, how do I just get people to count macros? How do I get people to follow a basic like nutrition plan or an exercise program in the gym, right? Proper periodization, whatever you guys want to do, strength training, hypertrophy, whatever you want to do, you could chat GPT that, right? But that transfer of your skill set and really understanding like how many days a week they can sit there and go to the gym, how many hours they have with their jobs, with their priorities, what are their limitations, right? What are their past injuries? There are so many different things, guys, that go into coaching and the skill of coaching, what makes you guys so awesome and badass, to where AI and ChatGPT is not gonna help you guys do that. There is no way in hell. There's a time and place, you know, for ChatGPT to do manual tasks, and I'll get into 3 other things in just a second. But if you're a fitness and nutrition coach, like please, like stick to your guys' skill and stay in your lane with that, to where don't depend on ChatGPT. If, like, for example, okay, if you don't know anything about nutrition, right, don't go to ChatGPT just to sound like an expert and give someone nutrition advice. Vice versa, if you're a nutrition coach and you know nothing about exercise programming, periodization, hypertrophy, whatever it is, then don't sit there and try to prescribe someone a strength training program off of ChatGPT. I promise you guys what's gonna happen is people will catch on to that, and once your guys' reputation is just killed and people start talking that, hey, I think coach so-and-so is tailoring my coaching programs from ChatGPT or AI, that's a bad look, guys. I'm telling you, your reputation is so key for the long haul for your guys' online coaching business. And also what ChatGPT and AI will do, it'll devalue your guys' service, and it's gonna be looked at as a commodity-based offer with all the other coaches, again, trying to cut corners, take shortcuts, save time, not actually learn the skills. So again, don't sit there and abuse ChatGPT for your guys' programming and skills with that. So if you guys are finding value in this video, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, that little bell, and you guys get notified with more content like this. And hey, speaking of content, right? I just said that, there's a time and place for using ChatGPT AI for content, headlines, hooks, all that. We have a brand new 365-day social media content calendar for you guys. It's plug and play. You guys know exactly what to post every single day. There's no guessing. It really just helps you guys with time and just being more intentional with your guys' social media and get better engagement and get more conversations, get more leads. And again, hey, you can drop some of those into ChatGPT and even beefing those up. So click the description link below, download that calendar and implement that. Okay, reason number 3 with AI and ChatGPT, I want to really focus on 3 points here within this third and final reason. So number 1 on this is I want you guys to understand that AI and ChatGPT will never ever help enhance your guys' sales skills. Guys, we've worked with over 900 health, nutrition and fitness coaches. We do 2 sales skill drills per week in our mentorship for our coaches to come to these calls, role play, get better at using their scripts, get better with their confidence, and learning how to sell high ticket offers for $1,000 to $4,000 over Zoom. ChatGPT will never help you guys with that skill of selling high ticket. It won't. You guys can try all day long to just send somebody a Google Doc or a fancy just little template that has your offer and the price on it. They're gonna laugh at it when they see that price point of $1,000 to $4,000 because they can't justify that value, and you're not digging into the pain points like you should to really position your guys' high ticket offer to sell them and really get them out of pain for the long haul. So again, do not sit there and use ChatGPT to help with your guys' selling process and sales system. You guys will not get any quality leads. You're gonna get tire kickers, people that just are looking for cheap commodity-based offers, and you guys are gonna get super frustrated and not make the money and freedom that you guys want in your guys' business. Okay, point number 2 with another skill is your guys' video skills. So again, right, if you're playing the long game in your online coaching business, look, I'm doing video here. Every master was once a disaster. If I look back like 10 years ago when I started doing videos in YouTube, I used to do these in my mom's place in her closet. Lighting was terrible. I cringe. I actually, if I'm having a bad week and I need a good laugh, I go back like 10 years and watch some of my videos. But my point with that, guys, is like, I've stuck to this skill of learning and getting better at video for the last 10 years. I still have a lot of work to do. I mean, I'm very, very aware of that. But again, right, ChatGPT will not help me get better on video. Will it give me some scripts and maybe some things to look over and some hooks and maybe get better at? Sure, but when I hit record that button, it's like, oh crap, like the video's on, people are gonna be watching. So no, like I have to be very good and really keep your guys' attention and be able to articulate all the knowledge, all the information to help you guys understand that and take action and inspire you guys. So if you're a nutrition and fitness coach and you're serious about scaling your guys' coaching business without the overwhelm, without all the ChatGPT AI shortcuts, then I invite you guys to schedule in and book in a free business growth call with myself. You guys can click that link in the description box. It's a loose call, it's free. Leave your credit cards at home. I have nothing to sell you guys on this call. I just want to learn more about, again, what position you're in with your guys' business. What are some of the constraints? What are the blind spots you're not seeing? And how can I sit there and add value to just help you guys with the winning plan? And if it makes sense, you're a great fit, we align, then we can talk about you guys joining our accelerator mentorship and how that could really help you guys get to the next level in your guys' business. And if not, that's totally fine. I want you guys to check out the next video right here. It's a whole system on how to sit there and get your online fitness coaching business to 10K months. So many great strategies. All I ask you guys, take out a pen and paper, take out your guys' notes app, take notes, and then implement.